Wiki.ezvid.com. Search EasyVid Wiki before you decide.
EasyVid presents the 8 best ergonomic keyboards. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, the innovative Adesso Tru-Form Pro is a multi-purpose ergonomic keyboard with a total of 105 keys and an integrated touchpad that acts as your mouse, allowing you to avoid excess clutter and save precious desk space. Unfortunately, it's also on the pricey side. It comes with power, sleep and wake up buttons and a quick start guide. However, there's no wireless functionality. At number 7, thanks to its improved split design, the Microsoft Natural 4000 encourages natural hand, wrist and forearm positioning during those long working hours. Its integrated zoom slider allows you to get close-ups of web pages and images with just a simple touch of your finger. It features 5 customizable favorites keys and an easy-to-access number pad, but it is a bit noisy. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the Memteq CI166 boasts 8 levels of adjustable brightness, so you can always find the keys you need to type, even in the darkest of rooms. Its special laser-engraved and flexible keys enhance your tactile feedback, which comes in particularly helpful when playing games. It offers 7 adjustable backlit colors and built-in rear drain holes. However, it's not quite as durable as its competition. To see all this stuff, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for ergonomic keyboards, or click beneath this video. At number 5, the Koolertron Ergonomic keyboard offers a fashionable and novelty crack pattern with 3 color-breathing backlit themes and adjustable brightness settings. Its durable ABS construction also provides you with both a cool and soft touch without straining your wrists. It features a DPI Governor multi-speed mouse and a key life rated at 10 million clicks, but it is a bit on the bulky side. Halfway up our list at number 4, the Logitech Wireless Wave MK550 gives you up to a 30-foot wireless operating range, allowing you to comfortably type from almost anywhere in your computer room. The included contoured laser mouse with rubber grips also ensures precise cursor control as you work. It boasts up to 3 years of battery life and a powerful 2.4 GHz wireless connection, but the key labels tend to wear off easily. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the truly ergonomic 229 provides a symmetrical style shape that follows the natural shape and natural contours of your body for proper positioning. Its columnar, non-staggered key arrangement promotes a comfortable typing experience while increasing your efficiency. It's a sturdy construction that comes with a cushioned and removable palm rest and key switches with independent mechanisms. At number 2, the first player Firerose delivers 104 comfortable floating keys and double-colored injection-molded keycaps for superior durability and longevity. Its high-quality cable with a gold-plated USB interface guarantees both efficient and stable data transmission while typing. It's waterproof and features chromatic breathing LED effects. It's ideal for programmers, writers, and gamers. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Kinesis KB500USB-BLK keyboard is compatible with both PC and Mac operating systems and offers instantaneous configuration and setup capabilities. Its lightweight design and unique shape provide an elegant, sleek complement to your workroom decor while maximizing comfort. It features onboard programmability and legend keys, and USB devices can be hot plugged. To see all this stuff, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for ergonomic keyboards, or click beneath this video.